If you've used a Scratchboard, you've probably noticed that your dog's nails are being filed unevenly, often with the center nails being shorter than the side nails. In this video, I'm going to show you some ways to fix that, and this is Kaya, and she's going to show us how. When I started working with Kaya, she hadn't had any positive nail experiences, so before I ever tried trimming her nails, I taught her to use a Scratchboard so that I could get to know her, make myself a fun person, and wear down some nails at the same time. Even though now I Dremel her nails, I still start all of our sessions with scratchboarding so that I have fewer nails I need to Dremel and the sessions are still really fun for her. Curved scratchboards are shaped more like your dog's foot so that when they scratch, their nails are more likely to hit the surface of the board. You want to show everybody your curve? Yes. Good. I make my own curved scratchboards by cutting a PVC pipe into pieces, cutting it in half vertically, and then attaching adhesive stair tread. If you decide to make your own curved board, be sure to file the edges well so that if your dog misses the center of the board, they don't injure the areas between their toes. If you don't have the tools to make a curved board, or the curved board isn't working for your dog, you can also use your flat board and change the angle. Flat scratchboards can be used at different angles to target different nails or to even out individual nails. For the exterior nails, or pinkies basically, lure your dog to scratch with the scratchboard at their side and about a 45-degree angle or steeper. Most dogs with long pinkies also have long pointer fingernails. Lure your dog to use their other foot by holding the treat with the other hand or waiting to reward your dog until they switch feet. Most dogs will naturally switch off in this position as they get tired of using one paw. Dogs have different shapes of feet and ways they scratch, so you may want to try both a curved board and a flat board and see what works best for your dog. I use both with most dogs and switch back and forth as I see which nails are being worn down. For dew claws that need to be filed, I use my curved pipe again, but I use the opposite side and position it across and in front of the dog's body like this. This is definitely trickier to do, and your dog will likely get tired more quickly from having to raise their arm to this height. Since I trim nails professionally, I have to work with all of my dogs in longer sessions, but if I were working with my own dog, I would split this up into shorter sessions and do this more times a week. Here's what Kaya's paw looks like after a scratchboard session. They're still not perfectly even, but it leaves less that I have to Dremel or clip when we finish. Scratchboards can't fully replicate filing with a Dremel, but the more angles you try with your dog, the more evenly you'll be able to get their nails. You can also try using a scratchboard after clipping their nails to get them shorter and smoother. I'm excited for you to try these new variations. Let me know in the comments if this was helpful, and Kaya and I invite you to like and subscribe to my channel for more nail care content.